Uganda oye! Uganda oye! Welcome home. My fellow Ugandans, I'm very happy this morning. On behalf of the President of the Republic of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the entire government, and all Ugandans, I stand here this morning to welcome you back home. Your touching down on Ugandan soil this morning is a profound relief to the entire nation. Your families and the fountain of honor, General Museveni. No matter the distances you travel, the challenges you face abroad, you must always remember that Uganda is your home. and your government will never abandon you in times of crisis. The primary responsibility of any sovereign government is the safety and security of its citizens, both within our borders and abroad. This morning, we are welcoming the first cohort of 265 Ugandan nationals arriving aboard our national carrier in partnership with our brothers, the Ethiopian Airlines. This exercise is a testament of the seamless multi-agency efficiency of the government of Uganda, and I therefore commend the Ministry of Works, of course my brother, the Minister of Works Transport, for swiftly facilitating the logistics and flight arrangements. Of course, our families are waiting anxiously across the country. Let me assure you that this is not a one-off intervention. A total of around 700 Ugandans have already registered voluntarily to be repatriated due to this emergency. Following the strategic directive laid out, the government is fully committed to ensuring that all remaining registered nationals are safely repatriated back home. Our teams remain firm on ground in South Africa to finalize the clearance and the travel of the remaining registered nationals. Uganda remains a proud fundamental pillar in the Pan-African solidarity. Our foreign policy is anchored on peaceful coexistence, regional integration, and mutual respect among African countries. While I would deeply regret the circumstances that necessitated this evacuation, my ministry continues to engage robustly through the appropriate diplomatic channels with our counterpart in the Republic of South Africa. To our returnees, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, we understand that transitioning back home under these sudden stressful circumstances is very difficult. However, I received your request through my brother Paul that you would wish to meet with His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni so that you can share your experiences and pain with him, and him being a parent, when I delivered the same, he actually welcomed the idea. The government of Uganda, through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Diaspora Department, and other partner agencies, is putting in place mechanisms to support your reintegration. Uganda's economy is expanding, and actually, I must say that you committed no offense in going to South Africa to look for green pasture. But I must confirm to you that the greener pasture is actually now in Uganda here, your country. I have been hearing about rumors that when you come back home, our government is going to arrest you. Please, feel at home. You are Ugandans, and really, you are part of us. You committed no offense going to South Africa to look for greener pasture. And equally so, you have committed no offense coming back home to contribute towards the development of your economy from here. Therefore, please, I allay your fears. Feel at home. Feel at home. There is no case, there is no what. And this exercise should not be politicized. No politics in this exercise.
Number one, we want to thank His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. We thank him for his fatherly, timely, and decisive decision to evacuate our nationals that had been living within the territory of the Republic of South Africa. Let's give him a big hand clap. Over the last 1 week, we have had one of our gallant sons who was deployed by the CDF in Pretoria to physically be with us and plan, do scenario mapping, the security of our people, and to coordinate this evacuation. We are deeply, deeply grateful to the CDF for ensuring that the whole of government, so we had security, we had the diplomacy, we had the executive, we had parliament, we had everybody involved in the government of Uganda. We are very grateful to the CDF. Honorable Minister, allow me also to thank the Prime Minister, who, after the directive from the President, has been coordinating our programs. And I can confirm on a daily, I was receiving more than 4 calls from the Prime Minister herself. So we want to thank her very much. I want to thank my minister. I've talked to him over the last 1 week, probably 50 times. At night, at 4 a.m., at midnight, in the morning. And I really felt the entire government, the love of the government, the force of the government, the capacity of the government, and the love of our government. The government that is people-centered. Honorable Minister, thank you for being here and for the support.
And today I'm happy to meet one of my I don't know how to call it. He's the person I always follow, and I like his ways, the way he does his work. Lieutenant Colonel Chris Magezi. Thank you so much for the wonderful job you do for the Republic of Uganda and the way you conduct your job.
Thank you.
We always follow you and we love you so much.
Thank you.
Let me take this opportunity to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, who has listened to our cries when we wrote to him last month. I think we are one of the last countries that wrote to the government. It's us that took too long to apply and ask the government to help us. When we asked the government, it acted swiftly and everything has been done so fast. And in a special way, I also want to thank the CDF, General MK, I thank him on reasons that after our crying and writing to the President and the government of Uganda, in the next day, he sent a representative from his office to come and help us and help you come back here. In another special way, let's take this opportunity to thank our Foreign Affairs Minister, now in charge. The day he was sworn in, We were busy with the ambassador, and the ambassador was telling us, guys, wait, we don't have a minister yet. But the day was soon in, he received calls from the ambassador while I was present, and he said, Your Excellency, the ambassador, tell me what to do, and I'll go back to the president. You know, we always have to go through protocol. And he has been on calls ever since we started engaging this until today, and we met him here. So if we don't thank him enough, there is a lot that we can give on the history of South Africa. The xenophobic attacks have really affected fellow African brothers. And most of the people you see here, some of them ran away without even another clothes to put on. We have people here who have come with no suitcase. They've come empty-handed because they couldn't wait when these attacks were coming towards their homes. We have mothers. In this aircraft, we had 122 young kids. Most of them will be single mothers. And you know the reason. It's everywhere. We have kids that are so vulnerable on this issue. And I would like to thank your Honorable Minister for the programs that you've now put in place to help our people to see how they can integrate into the communities. Thank you so much. My name's Salongo Moses Chibombo Sentongo, the one and only.
I would like to say something very simple here. First of all, Honorable Minister, all of the representatives of the government of Uganda, we are grateful. We are extremely grateful. Let us give a hand to our government, to our defense forces, and our brothers and sisters who have been in prayer for us. It is not every day that our own defense forces, under the command of MK Muhoozi Kainerugaba, will reach out beyond the borders of our country to keep us safe and protect us. We are grateful for that. We are grateful that our own President, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, heard our cries and did not waste any time in responding, as you have heard. So I would like to just say thank you, and God bless Uganda, God bless our leaders, God bless our President, God bless all our citizens, and let us prosper in our own country. Thank you, everybody.
First and foremost, you're not here just as evacuees, those who have been evacuated. I must say that you are here as the guest of the nation of Uganda. You are special guests of His Excellency the President.